Hello everyone. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to book multiple destinations on Expedia. But before we start, there's a link in the description where you can grab special discounts, coupon codes, and even the Expedia deals for 2025. Without further ado, let's begin. Expedia is a well-known travel platform that allows you to book flights, hotels, car rentals, and vacation bundles conveniently in one place. One of its most useful features is the flexibility to combine different bookings, letting you arrange multiple destinations in a single trip for added convenience. First, visit the Expedia website through your browser. Next, enter the country or cities you want to travel to, especially if your trip includes more than one stop. Then, select your check-in and check-out dates for each destination. Choose the dates carefully so they align with your travel plans. After that, specify the number of travelers, including both adults and children, to make sure the hotel rooms and bookings fit your group size. Now, click on Search. Expedia will show you a wide range of hotel and flight options. Scroll through the listings to compare prices, ratings, and available amenities. Here, click on any hotel or package to explore further details. Here, you can adjust your check-in and check-out times for each location in your itinerary. You will also find details about amenities such as complimentary breakfast, international cuisine, parking, free Wi-Fi, family-friendly services, and lounges or bars. Next, confirm the dates for each stop and double-check the traveler count. Review the price breakdown carefully, including taxes, fees, and any extra charges. You can also compare different room types or package options to see what fits your needs. Scroll down to explore room categories such as standard guest rooms, executive suites, non-smoking rooms, or rooms with city or ocean views. Finally, you can take advantage of Expedia's option to combine multiple bookings, securing flights and hotels for each destination in a single checkout process. This allows you to organize your entire multi-stop trip at once while keeping everything under one reservation for better flexibility and planning. So once again, you'll find a special link in the description where you can grab discounts and even Expedia deals. If this video helped you out, make sure to drop a like and subscribe to the channel for more helpful guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.